guys, welcome to my channel Spatfulmate, and today we'll be playing Taxi Game 2. This is episode 1, but the game is 2, and everybody has told me that a Taxi Game 1 is a horrible, don't download it, so I have gone for the 2. So yeah. Alright. Go. So I actually have no fuel, so I'm just going to the petrol pump. And I know what the petrol pump is. There you go. So guys, if almost reached the petrol pump. Go take a little turn. Oh, no. Okay, I was just about to crash. Oops, it's glitching. Hold on, guys. How about I take a shortcut? Now I'm gonna fly! Woo! Oh, I did fly, actually. Alright, so I have, no fuel. So I'm just gonna go to the... So, right, guys. Great. I am crashing so much. I am feeling annoying. Great. Just keep crashing it. Just keep crashing it. Great. Let's supply some fuel. I know it's so noisy, guys. Right. Total is 335. Okay, we'll go with that. No worries, because I have $1 lakh actually. This game is not based on rupees, but it's based on dollars. So $1 lakh means I think it's gonna be 100 crore rupees. I'm not too sure. Right, Madam Dawaz. Sorry guys, sorry. I was actually telling Hindi because I was speaking of states, and I'm just so sorry guys. But I might speak a little Hindi in between of the video because I'm gonna go to my... Okay, great. Now I'm telling Assamese. What is wrong with me? Hold on. English, yeah. That's good. So I'm going to my grandmother's house right now. So that's why there I will meet my sister called Doreen. And guys, feel free to check out her channel as well, Doreen 101. I'll link it in the description bar below. But anyway, and I always speak Hindi with her actually. So it's just a little confusing. Alright, so let's go here. Right away. So guys, we almost reached the destination. I can see it by the time as I... There we go, so we've reached the destination. Great. Oh, there's a petrol pump, I think, near us. So let's go there. So guys, I'm just going to every petrol pump because... you know guys, in this game the petrol ends in a sec. So yeah, I'm always visiting petrol pump as you can see. So great. Let's reverse. Okay, hold on. Where the heck am I going? I'm gonna turn off my volume a little bit. It's way too noisy. Right. 225. Alright. We have only 253 rupees. No! Not rupees, but dollars. Only. That's the list. Ahem. So guys, I always go to petrol pump before taking passengers because if I take passengers with me, it won't let us enter to the petrol pump. So I don't take passengers with me. Then I go to petrol pump. So as you can see, I'll give you a little example. There you can see it says that park here, park here. It's just saying that park here. But now that I've picked up the passenger, it won't say that come here. Look, it's not like telling yeah you just go. The petrol pump is like that reaction. Great. Why is it glitching? Someone accident. I'm sorry. What? Card matched? Great. Now I have to pay 1,000. Seriously. Oops. That was an accident. Alright. So now I need to find customers again. That's not fair. So guys, as you can see, my fuel is already low. Oh, customer. No, don't kill him. Did I kill him? Thank God I didn't kill him. Right, so where do you want to go, sir? Probably backwards. La 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 la. My sister is terrible at this game. She plays very well, but she's terrible. Still, she's terrible. She's a very good gamer, but still she's terrible at this game, and I'm not too sure why she is terrible. Okay, where do you wanna go? There. Great. Ding, 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 ding. Great. Ladies and gentlemen, I would have thank you so much for joining me in this wonderful journey of Itachi. And if you like this video, let me know in the comment section down below. And guys, if you want to see my sister's channel, that's so easy. You just need to go in YouTube, Google, or whatever, and you just type Dory101. That's the channel, sorry. And just go there. And don't forget to subscribe to my sister's channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. I'm tired of saying these things, guys, every day. So you can just go in the previous video and just see all the dialogues that I do every day. But I'll be going. Bye. Come on now. Great. And now the stuck. The mob isn't stuck. Okay.